Z3 2001. We are putting spacers 2 millimeters, нет, 2 centimeters. That is 20 millimeters on the back that it's going, and 15 millimeters is going to the front. Okay, nice and snug, and we have extended longer bolts. I would use advantage of this marvelous tool that BMW provide you with, and boom, it is very easy to put a tire on by yourself with this little шпилечка. Once you наживили all the bolts, kind of want to make it move it around. Just make sure it's in the center, and then go ahead, tighten this puppy like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's look at her попочка. This is before spacer, and this is after spacer. Ooh, nice. I like her бедра now. Okay, 3 more to go. Right, we are all done. Love it. Ну, как-то так. Alright, so seems like driving good.